Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and happy July 1st. I am kicking off my next giveaway series. I'm calling it the Sizzling Summer Giveaway, and it's going to be super easy for you to enter. All you need to do is send me a tag. So you can do like about a 3-inch wide by 6-inch tall tag, and you can do it in whatever your favorite style is. So if you like shabby chic, do that, or if you like retro, or if you like botanicals, whatever your style is, and send me in a tag, and then I will send you back a tag, and I will send you one of my handmade sticker sheets. So this is an example. So these sticker sheets, they are 4 inches by 7 inches, and I'll do some sort of fun design on here. If you have something that you like say you like flowers or whatever, you can put that on your the back of your tag or in a little note that you include in the envelope, and then that way, no promises, but I might be able to send you some stickers in, whatever it is you're kind of looking for. Just limitation is my ability to meet that, but you will still get some really cool stickers from me as well as a tag. And so that's all there is. And you can just send it in a regular envelope where you just have to use, one stamp and send it on its way to me. And the address is down here. It's my P.O. box. And send that to me. And it needs to be postmarked by the 15th of August. So you have all of July, and you'll have half of August to get your entry into the mail to me. So then I will wait till the end of August, and that should give, anything you mail, if you wait till the 15th of August, surely everything will be here by the end of August, and that's when I will pick a winner. But as I receive the entries, I'm going to do a little video opening up your entry. And last time I made this really cute journal right here, and all of the entries that I received, I put them in the journal here. And it's so much fun just to flip through and see all the entries. And they were Twinchies and ATC cards and altered playing cards. And so this time I thought it would be fun, since we're going to be doing tags, that I would just make a tag flip book. And I'm going to use one of these fun little jump rings here. And if I need to get a bigger one, I'll get a bigger one. But I'm just going to put all of the tags on the jump ring. And then I will have kind of a tag journal, if you will. So I'm excited about that. I think that'll be a lot of fun. And we'll see how many tags that I'll get. And so once I have all of the entries, I'm going to put everybody's name into a hat, and I'm going to pick 2 winners. One winner is going to win a $40. It can be an Amazon gift card or a gift card from some other place that, your choice. And then second place will win a $25 Amazon gift card, or if you want to do PayPal, whatever will work best for you. So I'm super excited about this. These are just a couple tags that I made a little while ago, using some of the items from a house of books. And so I thought I'd show these as examples, but literally you can do whatever style you like. But I would like it to be a decorated tag, and you can decorate the back, or you can leave it plain, or you can add some music paper or ledger paper onto the back. Your choice. The main thing is just to have the front decorated, and you don't have to add a topper unless you want to, since I'll be adding it to the jump ring. So I'm going to be poking a hole in it anyway. So like this one has a hole, so I'm just going to put it on like that. So I guess if it has a hole, you can decorate it because that'll still slip on there. So yeah, so that's true. So if you want to decorate it, you can decorate it up. Like this one, I would have to poke a hole in there and then add that on there. But that's easy to do. So yeah, and so these are the stickers that I sent my patrons for the month of June. So I won't be sending this exact pack, but excuse me, but I'll be sending you all something really fun and really cute. And if you have suggestions of what kind of stickers you might like to see, let me know, because I'm happy to try. I like playing around with my Pix Cut. Let me show it to you. So this is my Leanne Pix Cut S1 sticker printer, and what's really cool is that the cutting device, I can take this cover off here, and the cutting blade is right there. So this thing prints and cuts the stickers all within this machine. So you don't need a printer, as well as like if you're trying to use your Cricut or your Silhouette, you don't need two different devices. You just need this device, which is really cool. And the size is like I said, 4 by 7, and you can make, you know, just like one giant sticker if you want to. You can adjust the sizes of the stickers that you want, and they are water resistant. Now they're not waterproof, like you couldn't soak it down in water, but they are water resistant. So if you splash water on them or anything, they do have like a little kind of protective coating over top of them. And so it's really fun. So I'd like to make some stickers for you guys. And if you want like some summer themed stickers, or if you just want flowers or butterflies, just let me know. And so yeah, so if you send me a tag, you'll get entered into the giveaway to win $40 or $25. And then regardless whether you win these, you'll get a tag back from me and a little sticker sheet. So yeah, so I think that's just really fun. I love to try to give back because you all are just so supportive, and I have a whole bunch of new subscribers. So welcome to all the new subscribers. And I am so happy that you're here. Make sure to check out my catalog of all my older videos because I have so many different videos out there. But yeah, it's going to be a fun month. I have a lot of fun videos planned already, and I also am going to be participating in Jessie's over at Paper Terrace, her little Dollar Tree challenge. And my little twist on the Dollar Tree challenge is I am not going to go to Dollar Tree. I already have tons of Dollar Tree stuff in my craft room. So I am going to shop my craft room and pull out all of my Dollar Tree items, and I'm going to try to make something without having to go to Dollar Tree. So we'll have to see if that works or not, but that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to give it a go. So yeah, so that'll be fun. So be on the lookout for that as well. And that is everything. So if you have any questions about the giveaway, just leave them down below. But other than that, you all get working on your tags and get them sent in to me. I can't wait to see them. All right, have a wonderful day, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.